Good morning, YouTube. All right, we're feeling a little nostalgic today. We're gonna give a shout out to my dad's favorite treat, peanut butter milkshake. But this one we're gonna make as a peanut butter pie. Yep, graham cracker crust, whipped cream, a little extra candy on top, the whole 9 yards. You're gonna like this one. All right, let's cook, y'all. We've got a family to feed. All right, we're gonna run through this pretty fast, so don't look away. You might miss something, and I'm only halfway through. All right, so right here what we have is about 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, and I just turned it on with a couple of tablespoons of sugar to let it start going. So we're gonna just set that aside and let it do its thing. And then I have an 8-ounce package of cream cheese that I took out of the fridge a couple hours ago. It's chilly. Look at the snow. It's not gonna get super room temperature here. Okay. I also did one other thing behind me. I have oh, hi. All right, so over here I have a graham cracker crust that I put together a little while ago. 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and about 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mash that into your pie plate, 375 degrees for about 8 minutes. Okay, good to go. All right, so cream cheese. Into this, we're gonna add about 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1/2 cup of peanut butter. I'm turning that off because I was very close to making butter instead of whipping cream. All right. Now, if you would like to use chunky peanut butter, go right ahead. Say more power to you. I love it. And of course. Here we go. So we're just letting this all come together. All right, so we're gonna scrape this down. Hi, kitty. I closed your window because it's snowing. That's baby's side of the kitchen. He has to stay back there. All right, we're just making sure that we've got a lump. Who doesn't want to incorporate? Okay, almost. There we go. All right, so we've got this thing, peanut butter stuff. So now we're gonna get our whipped cream. Clean spatula. All right, so I'm going to set aside some of our whipped cream. See, you can see I about got distracted and made butter. Don't do that. All right, so I want about half. So half of this is going to go on top of our pie. So we're just setting him over here, and then this bit. Quite half. We're just going to lighten up our peanut butter mixture. And it's not rocket science, y'all. Oh, give it a taste. Yeah, yep. Sweetened peanut butter. Pretty freaking fabulous. It's hard to mess up with cream cheese. Really hard to mess up with peanut butter, powdered sugar, you name it. All those things together. Yep. All right, so all we're doing here is just folding that in. And we're not gonna be real precious about it, okay? This is a super lightning fast dessert. It goes together in no time. All right, so here is our graham cracker crust. If you really get stuck on the graham cracker crust part, a million years ago, I did a video on graham cracker crust. So if you go to my channel, search through my videos, easiest, fastest way to make one. Okay, so right down in here, you notice I'm having to work when the kids are at school. Not sure what in the world's gotten into everybody, but just recently, anytime I'm trying to shoot a video, I have like extra kid help. Okay. All right, so here's what, oh, I didn't realize y'all couldn't see. All right, here's this. All right, I'll go grab my whipped cream. I'll be back. If y'all could see behind me, y'all are buzzards. You're just like gathering like turkey vultures. All right, so I don't know if it's gotten cold enough. I really don't. You probably want to give yours a little longer. Mine's not gonna make it because Ricky has discovered, oh, you want that? Okay. Ricky, and anything to do with Reese's or peanut butter or what have you, yeah. All right, so what's gonna happen, Ricky, is I'm gonna pull this first piece of pie out of here and it's not gonna be cold enough. And it's gonna kind of come apart. And I'm gonna blame you. Just so you know. You know what? It's actually not so bad. Oop. Peanut butter pie. Wait a minute. Richard Joseph, I see you. Man, that's stupid good. All right, there you go, guys. Easiest peanut butter pie on the planet, and Levi's moving in for the rest. Good morning, YouTube. All right, we're feeling a little nostalgic today. We're gonna give a shout out to my dad's favorite treat, peanut butter milkshake. But this one we're gonna make as a peanut butter pie. Yep, graham cracker crust, whipped cream, a little extra candy on top, the whole 9 yards. You're gonna like this one. All right, let's cook, y'all. We've got a family to feed. Hey, YouTube. Thanks for watching. And if you found any of that helpful, do me a favor. Jump on over to Patreon and check out how you can do even more to support my channel. And as always, you can like and hit subscribe and share on social media. I appreciate all of those things.